What's up? It's Tommy Touge, and we're back. And we've got some good stuff happening. Started moving 180 parts. Rear over fenders, boys. I also went to the local auto barn. Coles, paper towels. The 180 had these bad boys. Shout out to Benito. Try to keep these mittens clean. That's for my jerry can. Ignore that. So we got some things. A small sponge. Degrosser. You can never have enough. It's not special. You always buy more. A big sponge. A giant sponge even. GI and Spongu. Yeah. So we also balled out. I balled out. Big green sucker. So you can guess we're gonna clean some, but it's not a 180. So recently I moved this. So it's long overdue that we did something with this, but it's also filthy. Absolutely disgusting. Does look good though. I really don't mind the arse end on this, but anyway, it's not about that. So we're gonna start with cleaning the inside because honestly, it is full to the brim of parts and things and rags and pretty much anything else I could fit in it at the time. So we have this mess. Some of the things obviously don't belong in here. Like we have a box of Honda bolts. We don't need that in here. There's always still some tools and stuff in here. Honda parts, Honda parts, Honda parts, Honda parts, Liberty parts, an engine leveler, Honda parts. It's not ideal, all right? So this is probably not gonna be that exciting. I'll probably time lapse it because like I can. But there's like Supra parts in there under some rags and stuff. But whatever. So we're just gonna start cleaning this and dealing with it, and then we'll actually be able to do something because this car needs my attention at some point real soon. So in the meantime, the rest of the 180 parts will come to this location and we'll deal with them here. But here's the leaf. We're done. That's finished. Wrap her up, boys. Oh, I'm just kidding. All right. So we've got all the essentials. The back. Custard creams. In fact, I'm gonna eat one right now. So yeah, basically, these are delicious. Shout outs to Coles for making good custard creams. Anyway, actually going to clean the outside of this at some point, but we're going to start with the inside because the inside's disgusting. So we have all of the milk from the Supra. So you can see there's all this stupid wiring. Underneath we've still got all the foam and stuff. That actually needs proper clean, but like vacuum will do. Yeah, missed the bolt, my bad. But yeah, so we emptied all that out. The back seat's now empty. We have piles, so there's a pile of parts and rags here, like various things like Honda bolts and tools and stuff. We have a box of other parts. This is like an integral body loom. There's a bunch of actual mounts on my EK, which is good. An engine leveler, a whole shit ton of bracing for things, shift leak. Here's all my Supra parts from inside the Supra. That's good. And there's a whole pile of rubbish. Yeah, nice. Good piece of cardboard though. And here is obviously my very trusty tripod setup. So we're going to just vacuum through this. And then we're going to open this probably and have a look in the pit and see what that's like. And as you can see, like, interior is not horrible, but like it's disgusting right now. So we're going to clean it, empty all this stuff out, and yeah. But you'll get to be part of the cleaning process, I guess. Suppose you find at home. I've done it. So, unfortunately, this mat started coming up. Whatever they've spilt on this is pretty bad for it because it started vacuuming out in spots. I don't know what this mess is, but whatever. This wiring mess we're going to sort out at some point because it's really starting to irritate me. It's looking a little better under there. It's not great. The top's actually looking quite good. Obviously I've wiped none of the surfaces, literally we just vacuumed it. I did make it worse. I went to vacuum this and it literally just pulled out, so I kind of just kept pulling it. It'll stay in here for now. This fell out because it snapped. All these bolts and things, these P-plate things, they can go in the rubbish. So yeah, but the back seat's looking a lot better now. It might look a little bit average on film maybe, but yeah, like bolts started appearing, so we're gonna pull it outside now. Probably not gonna give it a rinse because it's getting fairly late. Have a look at the other side though. Did vacuum inside the bay a little bit, some leaves and stuff. So like, obviously there's an Apexy controller in here and some stuff, and it needs some work. But like for the most part, this is sort of clean. Does all need a wipe over and stuff, but that's fine. I'll get to that. And yeah, hopefully that's the start of it started, I guess. Now it's on to the next parts, which is what it is. But we'll pull it outside and we'll see if we can have a look in this pit. Start getting that ready, huh? I've never been in a pit before. I've never seen a pit before. If you haven't, join me, your least favourite internet personality, for this. So, I haven't even looked in here. I'm assuming it's full of spiderwebs and stuff, but whatever. Let's ease these planks out and have a look. Oh, nice. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a ladder, there's some gravel. Good. Because then it'll do the things. Ugh. Dude, this is hype. We've got some cockroaches and stuff. Hang ten. Let me deal with it. No spider webs so far. This is a good start. Can I reach the ladder? Alright. So there is some spider webs in here, but it's whatever. So this is the pit. Oh, power point, lovely. You can plug your light in. This is just an outlet. God knows what that did. But maybe it does this, I guess. I don't know. Pit life is a good life. I actually have to clean in here, which is awesome. I was expecting this to be full of spider webs and stuff. You can see where they just use iron sheet and the concrete spilled in, but who cares? Because we now have a pit. Which means we can drive the Supra back in and hell yeah. So we're probably going to close it out here. Screw it, we're going to close it out in the pit. Hardcore kids, you know, see you in the pit. Yeah. Like if you like Supras, comment if you hate Supras and hate me. Subscribe if you want to see more Supras and more of me, I guess. And this pit. Till then, see you in the pit.